Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'll tell you how to record your YouTube videos on your iPhone with the music playing. So I'm playing non-copyright music on my iPhone. So normally if I just increase the volume, you can hear the sound. Normally if I go to camera and go to videos and hit record, the button record, the music will automatically turn off. So if I switch it off and play the music again, and I'll show you how you can do that. If the music is playing now, let me do it for you now. Go to photos and play the music again. Now go to photos. The music is still playing. What you have to do is just hold this button and until it turns out, and drag the lock button, just lock it. The video is recording, normally the music is playing. So this is how you can do that from photos. You can just press it and the video will automatically be recorded. So that's how you can do that. So that's very easy on how you can record your videos on your iPhone with the music playing. If you love this video, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling. Thank you.